Meanwhile, there are calls for more heads to roll. The young professional arm of the PNP, the Patriots, is demanding that the president of the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, Professor Fritz Pinnock, tender his resignation. This in light of his perceived role in hiring politically connected persons to the institution. We have more in this report.
Education Minister Roel Reid has been sacked, and now the Patriots wants the head of the Caribbean Maritime University, Professor Fritz Pinnock, to go as well. The Patriots say the CMU president must be held accountable for failing to protect the institution from being linked to a corruption scheme. Patriots President Omar Newell says Professor Pinnock must tell the nation what he knows about the contracting of former JLP Member of Parliament for St. Ann Northwestern, Othniel Lawrence, to the institution as an advisor.
We want to know what are the special skills that Mr. Lawrence brings, what's the nature of the consultancy, when did he become a consultant, because let us be real and frank, Mr. Lawrence was insisting that he wanted to be the candidate for Northwest St. Ann up until sometime last year. Then out of the blue, we got word that he received a contract from one of the agencies that Minister Roel Reid was supervising. My organization wants to know what are the skill sets that Mr. Lawrence brings to the position. What exactly is he consulting with CMU on?
The PNP Young Professional Group says Professor Pinnock must also clarify whether reports about other persons connected to Mr. Reid being employed to CMU are true. It says if these reports are verified, the CMU president must say what services they have provided for the salaries paid. The Patriots say they are convinced the summary dismissal of Mr. Reid by the Prime Minister following the allegations suggests that the claims of cronyism, nepotism and corruption involving the minister and the Caribbean Maritime University are greater than are filtered into the public domain. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.